What going on is a Jamaican Thing TV fans now, guys. Out there, not today, Bob's birthday, you know, for people. Bob Marley's birthday out there. Well, we're basically in Trench Town now, guys. We're basically in Trench Town. You don't know where so go on at the culture yard, cause you don't know about birthday and you don't know things must have happened for the legend. You see me? So we'll check out the culture yard, so go on. So tag along with us, guys.
It's a Jamaican Thing TV. So come on and join we live on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. It's a Jamaican Thing TV. So come on and join we live on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. So come on and check out this channel. Duali's YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Alright guys, so they are approaching culture. They don't know, so they must have thought some pictures of, you don't know, Bob and some of the other legends them pass through. So what go on? Yeah man. Yeah guys, so these are some of the paintings about some of the icons from Trench Town. I don't know. So what time it is. Nice picture of the legend. Ritza and some of the other folks. This is nice. This is Milton and this is Earth Strong. Yeah man, we'll go. Yeah guys, so we're heading to the culture yard right now. See what's going on there on a day like today. Yeah man. Okay. Now guys, so they end up here for Trench Town. I don't know today Bob Marley's day, you know guys, Bob Marley's birthday. And over there at Trench Town. So we'll take a walk come to go on today guys. We'll take a walk come to go on. Well, there is much going on today here at Trench Town, but I don't know. Later on there is a big event going on at Emancipation Park. That's Bob Marley's birthday celebration guys. Over there at Trench Town, we're going to take a tour right now to walk on the inside. Alright guys, so they are at Trench Town Culture Yard. Trench Town Culture Yard guys, and we're going on the inside. See what's going on. Alright, so we're going inside now guys. This is the Culture Yard. Alright, so we're going this way guys. This is the nice lady that's going to take us on the tour. So we're there with the nice lady. We're going to take us on the tour today. What's your name, auntie?
My name is Shelley. And welcome to our beautiful community. And welcome also to our beautiful culture yard. Right here, this is Bob's first VW. This is a VW that take Bob all around Jamaica wherever I want to go with the wading suits back in those days. We have also a beautiful statue over there of Bob. And we have also the wall of fame around the back. So we guys can go around the back and take some picture around the back.
Okay. Alright, so this is basically where Bob grew up, right? Or spent most time.
Bob came here when Bob was 12. But Bob was living on 2nd Street from us with Bonavilla's father, Mr. Livingston, and also his mother, Mr. Sidela Booker. They have kids together. So Bob and Bonavilla turned stepbrothers. So Bob would left from over there and come over here, come hands out with Vincent Ford. Everyone call him Tata.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I'm spending him ends out time
right
over here.
Because he left from St. Anne's when he was 12 and come here, come spend all his life. And left from here, go up Road, go further on his life.
Oh, okay. Alright.
So right here, this ground right here, we call it the cold ground. Bob sing all about that also. So cold ground was my bed last night,
Right.
and also rock is my pillow too. This is the cold ground, and also this is the pillow too.
Okay, okay. So what time it is, guys? Alright, so go on to the back area now. So we used to call this area now.
Welcome to the Wall of Fame around the back. This bus here, we call it the Black Star Liner bus. This is the bus that Bob mom came on from St. Anne to Kingston and with Bob when Bob was 12. This man right here, we call him Georgie, the man that light the lagoon right through the night and boil the calming porridge. We have also the drummer. We have the Lion of Judah down here, and we have also one up here. We have the goat and the hog them around here same way. We still have the football field, the cricket field, and also the library across the road from us.
Okay.
The Rasta. When the Rasta come and greet us, they greet you like this. One love. Welcome to Selassie. We have no woman, no cry. We have Trenchtown Signal. And welcome again, guys, to the Ambassador Theatre up 7th Street from us. Up there is where Bob's son came right here and shoot the show for Bob. I will have also a soul learning school up there. So welcome to the Wall of Fame around the back.
Okay, so this is one of the Lion of Judah on the ground here. And one on the wall, right? So this is the Wall of Fame. Alright, so this basically depicts, you don't know, parts of Bob's life from, you know, his mom journey here. Right through, don't know the calming porridge about right through the night. The drummers them over there, guys, you hear that? And some of his slang lyrics and the Ambassador Theatre at 7th Street. So you know what Bob sings about from 1st Street to 7th Street. The man to the Ambassador Theatre is at 7th Street. So this is the Wall of Fame at the back of Trenchtown. Alright guys, so we'll take a walk to the front or where they call it now, the rooms are.
This room here is Georgie room, the man that teach Bob to play the guitar. And also right now, woman no cry through the bird cold ground was my bed last night. And also I share my single bed.
Okay, so this was his room,
Yeah.
Georgie's room.
We have the guitar room. And we have even the Wall of Fame inside the room there.
Okay.
We have a lot in here to know about our legend. And we have also the ital shop.
And that's the
Right there we get steamed
guys.
fish. We get fried fish festival, depends on what in there, guys. Ital stew, you name it. In this office, this shop.
The Ital shop.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's the Ital
And we have the
shop
craft shop across the road from us.
Okay, that's the craft shop over there, guys. No, we can't really give you guys in depth in the rooms because of, I don't know, them guidelines and stuff like that, guys. But this is basically an outline at the outside. You don't know, they have to protect their rights as well. They don't know. So now this is the Ital shop right there, guys. This is where the food prepared. Big up yourself, chef. Big up yourself. So let's say you simmer down today.
Now we have some just a bit fish to be about now. Fish done before it's prepared for the storage.
Where are you saying?
Sauce. Prepared for the fish and stuff like that.
Alright.
Just want to look at where, you know, it's an Ital shop, so
Right.
all Ital shops.
Right.
Festivals here, you know, some fish and
Alright guys, so the food is there. Worry about refreshment, guys. So worry about refreshment. And you have the craft shops here as well. You want craft items, house gifts are, you know, just to keep. You can visit the craft shop here as well, guys. I don't know other rooms are here. But as I say, guys, we can't go in depth because they want to protect those. Alright guys, so there now again with Shelly guys, so she's gonna give us a run through of
the first room.
Alright.
Yeah, welcome again.
Yeah, man.
Welcome to our beautiful community and welcome also to our beautiful culture. Yeah. Before Trenchtown was Trenchtown, it was Trench Pen. Trenchtown based up of a man named Daniel Power Trench, a son of William Power Trench. Daniel Power Trench born in Jamaica 1813. He also the fourth child for William Power Trench. William Power Trench was a wealthy Irishman, half Irish, half Jamaican. He immigrated in Jamaica in the late 1700s. He also born 1771. He was living in an estate called Greenwich Park Estate. But the truth is, guys, he owns a whole heap of land, but he sold this land to the British government. When he sold the land to the British government, you have people from near, far, you name it, come and start to build houses on the land. So we call those people squatters.
Right.
That room right here is the wall of fame inside the room.
Okay.
We have pieces such Bunny Wheelers and also the Fox brother. We have also Alton Ellis and his younger sisters inside there. So we call in there is the wall of fame. That room over there.
Because the Ellis them come from Trenchtown as well, right?
4th Street from us.
Alright.
And the room right there is Bob first guitar inside that room with a lot of beautiful picture inside there.
Okay.
And that room over there is Vincent Fort's room. Everyone call him Tata. That is the man that teach Bob to play the guitar. He also write No Woman No Cry, Pray to the Bird, Cold Grandma's Not Bed Last Night. You name it, guys. That room over there, that is Bob room, the legend room.
That's the legend room.
Yeah, that is where Bob conceived his first son, Ziggy Marley. When you hear Bob sing about I share my single bed, the single bed is inside there what Bob shared. And I show his shelter is right there.
Okay.
So everything started right here with Bob, guys.
Okay.
And it's left from here and go further on up Road. So welcome to our beautiful community.
Alright, so this is where Bob basically started his musical career, his life, basically. After his mom left from St. and came to here in Trenchtown, but Bob starts here in Trenchtown and go up, right? Yeah, man. So guys, that is it, guys. So I'll show you guys the wall of fame on that back, guys. I don't know. That's the ital shop and the craft shop here. So that's basically most of what is to be known here, guys, and what we can show, because I don't know, as I said earlier, most of the inside is kind of stick you don't know, off the cameras. So that is it, guys. Trenchtown, Bob's humble beginnings. Yeah, man, the great legend. Alright, guys, so you don't know, it's boy Wally. Yeah, man, and that is it, guys. Trenchtown here on Bob's Earth Strong. Pass through Trenchtown, giving you guys, you don't know history and info on Bob. So big up on yourself. Alright, guys, so we're here just in time to see, you don't know, the culture yard drummers. Yeah, man, they'll be attending a little celebration of Bob's Earth Strong at the college up the road, guys, here in Trenchtown, and we're going to ride along with them, guys. Yeah, man, we're going to ride along with them and check out a little drumming session that they will be performing for the school. So come on, guys, ride along with us. And yes, guys, Trenchtown is not only home to Bob, guys. You don't know Alton Ellis and Blacker Ellis, the Ellis family. You don't know they're iconic as well, famous, and they're from Trenchtown as well. Trenchtown produce a lot of top people, guys. A lot of top people Trenchtown has produced, and that's the wall there showcasing Ellis, Massive, Dread, and some of the people that beat at touch, and some of the people that comes through. Alright. Alright guys, and this is 2nd Street. The man are going all the way up to 7th Street. So you don't know about talk about 1st Street to 7th Street. And this is 2nd Street. Yes, and this is 3rd Street. This street. Traveling up to 4th Street. And that's 4th Street there guys. This is 5th Street. No, this is 7th Street guys. I mean 6th Street, sorry. This is 6th Street guys, and this is 7th Street. I don't know, so all of them going here. Bob cover all of them guns here guys in a few days. This is 7th Street. And it's this street here guys. And so we're on our way to the college guys. We're on our way to the college.
Listen to the pop blocks that we are pop blocks. Don't try that. Yeah, push. Yeah, I like teachers still, you know? Yeah. Oh, say that we're here for you. I'm gonna always be here for you. How many jobs that's there for you? Change for you. Look what they do to you. Give up with us and stay for you. Let's stay for you. Let's see you relax. Let's pray for you. Scared of you. Don't pray for people, places and things. No shame in places and dreams. Say that no facility. They need to utilize their skills because the youth them have no abilities and no collect room. And the youth collect their salaries and living on the coast. And the time you give the spirit, you give the burden of the sweat. So that's your reality. So that's your long life and prosperity. More jobs and opportunities.